This exhaust is always hotter than this one. Don't know why. I think there might be a head gasket that is leaking fluid. See, I can see the smoke out of that one. But we'll see. I think it's running okay. I need to replace this gas line. No matter what I do, I can't get it to stop leaking right there. So I want to replace these gas lines. The bowl is cracked. Potential head gasket. So running pretty decent now. I had to readjust all the carburetor stuff. So we're making progress.